Let's start coloring by learning the names of colors. So here is pink color, purple color, red color, yellow color, parrot color, blue color, green color, and the last one is orange color. Now it's time to color a key. How many keys can you see? So here are 1, 2, 3, 4. Here are 4 keys.